What's up guys, Phil here with Transfer Superstars. On today's video, I've got some new and exciting news with you guys. On this video, we're gonna be talking about different topics that we haven't covered before. If you guys have been following along with the channel, you guys know we do DTF transfers, we do them right. And if you guys haven't tried our transfers yet, what are you guys waiting for? Head over to our website, order a free sample pack today so that you guys can give it a shot. But that's not the reason why we're here today. Today we are going to be talking about a very special project that we are going to be doing and releasing with you guys. So a bit about our history here. We've actually been in the apparel space for over 10 years. We are screen printers at heart. We've been screen printing for a very long time, and we've actually developed a lot of brands along the way. Some of them have been very successful, some of them haven't been successful for various reasons. But what we're gonna be doing a little bit different here is we're gonna be completely transparent with you guys. We want you guys to follow along on this journey because we are starting a brand new brand from scratch. We've got absolutely zero sales. We don't have anything set up yet, but we want you guys to follow along so that you guys can see us making the decisions, also doing some artwork decisions, and again, trying to implement our old tools along with all the new AI tools that are available so you guys can see how we're going to be taking advantage of the newest technology out there and try to get our very first sale. Now again, we're not exactly sure if this brand is going to be a complete flop or is going to hit straight to the moon, but we're definitely aiming for the moon here. We're going to try to get our very first sale together. Now, going back to the topic of this video, we're going to talk about our $6,000 investment. If this is the worst or best $6,000 investment that we've made. So what did we invest $6,000 on? Guys, we bought a domain for $6,000. Now that sounds like a lot, but there comes a time and place when you just stumble upon a domain that you really, really love. It really hits your brand identity and you just have to have it. And that's what we did here. We stumbled upon a domain that we saw on flippa.com. And we absolutely just fell in love with this domain. We feel like it's going to really hit, again, our brand identity. So what is the domain that we purchased? Well, guys, we bought dripped.com. That's spelled DRIPPED.com. Now, we were looking for over 2 months, and then we finally found this domain that really hit and checked out all the boxes that we wanted for our brand identity. Our brand, we're all about color, we're all about artwork, and we're all about being dripped from head to toe. So we feel like this brand name is going to really resonate with our customers, and that's what we're gonna roll with here. Now the story behind the domain, again, we searched for 2 months, and it's a great domain, but it is pricey. $6,000 is a lot of money, but it actually didn't start off at $6,000. It actually started off at $10,000. That was way too much for a domain like that, even though we know that the possibilities are endless. $10,000, it's a lot. So we originally countered at $3,500. They countered back with us for $7,500. We recountered back at $4,500. They recountered back at $6,600, and then we eventually settled at $6,000. We found that $6,000 price point being something that we would feel that it is expensive, but it is a premium brand that you're gonna get, and that's what's gonna separate us from the rest of the competitors. So we're starting off investing in a good brand that will take off to the moon, and that's our hopes here. So what do you guys think of the domain? Is that worth it for $6,000? Would you guys buy it? Let us know your thoughts on the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. And again, if this is a topic that you guys are interested in, make sure you guys follow along, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys share with a fellow partner or friend, because this journey will possibly help not only us, but also you guys. We can share and bounce ideas back and forth with the new tools that we've been using, and we can see how we can guys build this together. Now, even though we've created brands in the past, we're doing it totally different now. Again, there's new tools that's going to be available, there's new ideas, and with this brand, it's a completely new direction that we're going with. So there's definitely got to be a lot of new and interesting things that we're going to be doing here. So if you guys have any questions or if you guys have any input and you guys started any brands in the past, give us some of your ideas. Let us know what has worked for you so that we can give you guys feedback on it, maybe bounce ideas back and forth. leave the comments below and we will definitely take a look at that and help answer that for you guys. And if you guys are interested in any of these topics that we're doing on starting a new brand, make sure you guys follow along. We're gonna have a new video that we're also releasing on creating a blueprint, creating a brand guide, and all that good stuff. So make sure you guys follow along for those videos. It's gonna be truly helpful for you guys. In the past, we never always started with a blueprint. We never always started the conventional way, but we are trying to do it now. We're gonna try to be accountable for what we're doing and what we're speaking with and what we're going to be preaching. So follow along because it's gonna be a really exciting journey with you guys. My name is Phil. I'll catch you guys on that next one. See you guys later.